Are there any dishes that kind of ground or anchor the restaurant that keep showing up again and again?
We don't have necessarily like a signature dish or anything like that, but I always like to start a meal with an oyster. To me, that's just the best way to start a meal. And we always finish with a little slice of chess pie.
I mean, there's nothing more southern than some chess pie.
When I first moved to town, I went to Arnold's way too much, and Julio would never let me leave without a slice of chess pie. Yeah, so first we have these really nice oysters from, they're called Bay Waters, from the West Coast. And then we're gonna put some fresh passion fruit over the top. This is what a fresh passion fruit looks like on the inside. I already kind of strained it and removed the seeds. Passion fruit juice by itself is really sour. So what we're gonna do is temper that sourness with a little bit of bubbles. We'll throw some pickled scallions on there to give it a little texture and a little savoriness. Then we have this mixture of champagne and passion fruit juice. Then I have some warm brown butter I'm gonna add to it because I think passion fruit and brown butter is really nice together. And we're gonna finish it with just a tiny bit of parsley. That's it.
That's obviously led to some things like your recent Michelin star. Congratulations. Before we wrap up, what is something you absolutely love about Nashville?
Nashville's just the best city. I feel like we take care of each other, and I just want to continue to grow.
Here's to growth and taking care of each other in Nashville.
Cheers.
Cheers.